Good. Okay. Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Thursday. It's Thursday. And please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. What's really happening? As I did show you, actually, the analysis on USDZAR since Tuesday, Monday there. You can see that I think I wasn't wrong. I did send this signal actually in the group, but it took time to actually touch our pending order. You can see this is it's a daily time frame, by the way. So you can see that yes, for the past 2 days, the market has been actually pushing lower. I'm still expecting it to push lower. I think BRICS Business Forum today, they're going to introduce or those countries that they added. I think maybe the meeting will start around 9 or 10. So we'll be watching, and that will actually make at least the rand to get a bit stronger. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. We saw yesterday also gold was also flying, which is something good, guys, which is something very, very good. But the bigger picture here is, or the bigger structure, it's actually an uptrend. The market is still actually pushing to the upside, but I'm just expecting a reversal there, right? So let's push to the next one actually and see what's really happening. So as you can see, we are actually on GBPUSD, GBPUSD. What's really happening here? We are on a very nice uptrend, a very, very, very nice uptrend, but the market tried to break out there. But it seems like the market was respecting these areas. As I showed you, the market just touched this area and bounces back, which means those areas actually, they are actually a solid structure that we're supposed to use, which means we're going to adjust our diagonal support when times goes on, right? So let's go straight to 4 hours time frame and see what's really happening. You will see that. So on 4 hours time frame, you can easily see that yes, the market is still pushing to the upside, but we can easily see what maybe what I was talking about. This breakout here, there is an area that we can call a support. The market is respecting this area. That's why I marked that area. But if you did not know, obviously you were going to focus on this diagonal support, and it actually makes sense, but don't forget this area. Mostly when the market creates something like this, just make sure that you mark that area, and a few days after, the market might come back and respect that area. It happens most of the time. That's how the market starts to create the resistance or the support. On top here, we also have a sort of a resistance. It seems like the market just wants to consolidate, because at the end of the day, the market is just going up and down. So what I'm waiting for here, I missed to buy this here. I was supposed to buy, but I was actually checking NASDAQ. I think it's NASDAQ and gold. So yeah, I'm just waiting for a proper breakout, then we can continue buying, or maybe the market will come back and maybe we'll look for a very nice sell. So let's go straight to economic news before I forget. Today is Thursday, don't forget that. This Thursday we have jobless claims or unemployment claims, and that might, if maybe this number is going up, we will see gold also pushing up and NASDAQ also pushing up. On the side of NASDAQ, Nvidia reported some very nice earnings, and that will push NASDAQ to push the upside. Just trying to cover the news while we are still on this calendar. So 2:30, there is unemployment claims. Don't just get surprised when you see the market pushing up or down. Tomorrow we have let's see Chair Powell speaks tomorrow around 4:05. Friday, we will see what's really happening. So this week it's been very good, guys. Actually, this week everything has been actually good. So which means tomorrow we are not forced just to go on the market and fight the market. So whatever that we made, it's enough. Let's not fight the market. Remember, if you still remember, last week it was bad. So this week is good. you see, when you don't really fight the market, you have enough chance actually to recover. I hope you understand that. Now we are on Euro USD. The market has been showing us that, you know what, the market is pushing to the upside. Even though maybe, let's say, maybe you don't know how to draw your support lines perfectly. But at the end of the day, this thing is just pushing up. Starting from the bottom, now it's here. So you can easily see that, no, the market is pushing to the upside. And the best thing that you can do is to go in the direction of the market. Follow the market. 90% of the time, the market is pushing to the upside. If it's an uptrend, then follow that. The market did reverse. But at the end of the day, the market still pushed higher. Even where we are now, I'm still expecting maybe the market to actually push to the upside. So let's push closer. Let's push closer and see what's really happening. Let's go closer. Let's go closer. Let's push closer. Let's see. Yeah. So we have something like this. So what's really happening here is the market actually created a very nice structure. Since, remember, we are still on this uptrend. So now the market seems to be trying to create this wedge structure. So it seems like the market wants to break out, but we see a smaller push there, but then the market pushed up again very quick. So which means there is a nice chance. It's supposed to go a little bit lower. So we can easily see that there is enough room here actually for the market to do what? To still even push even lower. So it seems like this support no longer makes sense. So we'll leave this resistance on top and this support. So for us to sell, we will wait for the market to break this area, and then we will say now it's time for us to do what? To look for that sell. If not, maybe the market will keep pushing on this uptrend and we will break this resistance. You see how I make this thing look simple? It's because I already understand what's really happening. So I no longer just go all over the place, mixing things. No, keep it simple. Follow the trend. If the market breaks this resistance, we can see that, yes, the market was respecting this level for quite some time, but not forgetting that the market is still on an uptrend. So this is sort of a reversal. The market is just a reversal. It's reversing. Then we expecting the market to do what? To keep pushing to the upside. That's what I see there. So now, even though the market is trying to push lower, we're not going to entertain that unless we see a breakout. It's where we're going to get to be active. Simple as that. You see, don't complicate things. Already, the market is complicated. So don't continue adding some unnecessary stuff. So now we are on precious metal gold. What's really happening? Yes, the market was pushing lower. The market was going down. Very nice. You saw that. I've been repeating this several times that, you know what, the market is respecting this area. We also have this resistance. Guess what? A few days ago, the market started to break out around this area. Hey, yesterday we smashed that. Yesterday we did smash that gold, I think, from this area. They can say something, my people who, if you are in the group, they know. You can just, they can just say something on the comments and say, yeah, we did smash. I think this take profit was a bit lower, something like that. So yes, we did smash that, and also NASDAQ. So what's really happening? The market here, I think it's quite simple, but not that simple. It's simpler because we can easily see when the market is breaking out. But it's not simple because the market was not making it obvious for us just to buy. The market was just going up. 2 minutes later, the market is lower. So you get confused sometimes. But the bigger picture is the market will end up pushing to the upside, which is something that we want, because this, some they will call it a change of character. So I will just call it change of a trend. The trend was going down. Now the trend is about to do what? To push to the upside. So I'm expecting the what? I'm expecting the market to push to the upside, and already it's doing that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to wait. Actually, this is a very nice reversal. I was supposed to wait for something like that before we jump on the market again. But later on, there is unemployment claims. The market might reverse before pushing up again. Remember, mostly 90% of the time, fundamentals will always respect what technical. So it might push lower, then push up again. So the market will continue like that. That's why trends, they can last 6 months. So during those 6 months, there was economic news, but when you check, the market is respecting the structure. Like here, just look at this downtrend here. It's very perfect, very, very nice, but there was economic news along the way. There was economic news along the way, but you can't see that. Why? Because everything was not break. The market was just moving smoothly the way we were expecting. We were on a downtrend. So it means if maybe you want to trade in news successfully, you also have to understand a little bit of technical. If you don't really mind that, I think here we missed another good opportunity. But the best way, or something that I know, is we're not going to fight the market. We're not going to chase the trades. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To still push up, but a reversal can be something very good. If you don't mind, you can scalp that. I think it's still going to push the upside. So let's push to the next one. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. What's really happening here? We are on US30. Dow Jones, US30. US30 on a bigger time frame, guys. I was trying to check this on a bigger time frame. I think the market, it was just going down, but let me just clear this. Maybe you will see. Maybe you will see. Let me clear this manually. It's fine. So what's really happening here is, I hope you can see what I'm trying to show you here. You can see that from this area, this point, and this point, they make sense. They just make sense, guys. So I think, yes, the market is still, we did not actually break out of uptrend. We are still on that stronger trend, uptrend actually. So I'm still expecting to see the market pushing to the upside. And where we are, it's actually a gold mine there. It's actually a gold mine. I think the market will actually end up pushing up from this area. So, but the market might play around so that you don't really get in the market, but later on you will see the market flying. So let's go closer, let's go closer on a 4 hours time frame. I was trying to show you the trend so that you understand why we say maybe the market will start to push the upside. Yes, we had the market playing around this area. If you check closer, let me just remove one of this. So if you check closer, actually, we also have something like a resistance around this area, you see. So I think above that, above this area, it's where I will think about adding more buy positions. That's what I'm thinking. But besides that, I will just wait for the market to play games here. But I want to see the market pushing up. If not, maybe we'll wait for the market. Maybe the market will break this area. Then we'll look for that sell. But it seems like the market is about to recover, guys. I think the market is about to recover. Then we might see those bullish momentums as we are actually on an uptrend. So the market currently is actually consolidating, and that might actually happen for quite some time. Sometimes the market can consolidate for quite some time before we see a very nice push to the upside. I hope you're doing great. I hope you are still here, and don't forget to smash the subscribe if you are new to this channel. And we actually offer this actually Monday to Friday, so don't miss the daily updates. The same thing here, you can see, and I think this is just another indicator for our, if you trade US30, already gold, NASDAQ is pushing up. Already NASDAQ is pushing up. If you check, US30 is still playing around this area, so it means there is a nice room for US30 to also do the same thing. What's really happening? Yeah, there is a room for the market to do the same thing. So, but besides that, I see why do we have that? It's fine. Why do we have this? Or the market jumped that? I don't know. Anyways, The bigger picture here is quite simple. We can easily see that the market is touching our support area. Very nice. Not complicated or complicating anything. So that is a very nice uptrend. You see that it's a very nice uptrend. So let's go on a 4 hours time frame and see what's really happening. Let's see. Oh, okay. Still where I wanted. So yesterday, we were. This doesn't really make sense. So yesterday we were around this area. The market respected. This support area. I think 3 days ago or maybe last week. So the market started to push the upside, but if you check here, we had this very nice resistance, and the market yesterday did break that out. We did smash that. You can see, did make a very nice profit there. And it seems like the market wants to continue pushing to the upside. The market still wants to continue pushing to the upside. And yesterday, the market was just playing around here. It was pushing up, down, just to make people think maybe it was continuation of this downtrend. And you end up losing, unfortunately. So, but just because the bigger trend is up, and everyone, if you know, there was earnings. Nvidia, before the market closed yesterday, after the market closed, they reported some very nice earnings, very like 400 whatever percent. It's a nice profit. So that pushed actually NASDAQ to push to the upside. And remember, the market is not actually open yet, so there is a chance for the market to push the upside. What I'm expecting here, there is a jobless claim around 2:30. What I think is the market might start to push lower if it's going to be positive on the dollar. Then after we might see a push to the upside, or maybe if things are negative on that jobless claims, we might just see a nice push to the upside. And when the market opens, the market might continue pushing to the upside like that. And mostly during the earnings, it's difficult to get in the market. If you missed it somewhere here, the market will just go straight and there won't be any normal reversals like this ones. So the market will just jump. And if you don't get that, you might miss some very nice simplest profits. So, but yes, we did actually make something. We did recover very nice, which is good. So I'm still expecting the market to push the upside. If we go on a smaller time frame, maybe we can get maybe a sort of a resistance. Yes, it's not really a proper resistance, but we have to mark this area and say, okay, we see, let's go maybe on a smaller time frame. We see this area, the market is respecting, you can see it's 15 minutes time frame. The market is respecting this area. So since the market is aggressively pushing to the upside, for us to take another trade, let's wait for the market to break this area, then we can push to the upside. Simple as that. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, guys. I'm still expecting a very nice bullish moves here on NASDAQ. So I hope you are going to smash the market. If not, remember, tomorrow might be your day. If today is not your day, tomorrow might be your day. If this week is not your week, next week might be your week. If this year is not your year, you might find out maybe things that are just going to change like this next year. You never know. But just keep working, then things, they will just come up. So there's something big waiting for you to be serious before they show up. So once they show up, you won't even realize that, oh, you're already making it, just because you've been putting enough work on that thing. So that's why sometimes when you start to make it, it's like you don't really appreciate it. It's not like you don't really appreciate. Sometimes it's just because you don't really see that you already have it. See you on the next one. Bye.